Hello. In this and the next and final video in our course, we are going to look at some of the do's and don'ts of an interview. We will look at what are acceptable things to see and hear in an interview in the United States and what are unacceptable things to see and hear. By the end of these two videos, you should have a clear understanding of what a good interview should look and sound like. Let's get started. We're going to begin by looking at the beginning of an interview. This is when the interviewee will first meet the interviewer and perhaps make some small talk before the actual interview begins. As you watch, ask yourself the question, is this interviewee making a good first impression? Why or why not? After the scene, we'll come back and discuss your answers.
Come in. Come in.
Am I in the right place for the job interview?
Are you Michael Flatley?
The last time I checked, I was.
Sorry?
I'm sorry. I'm Michael Flatley. I'm really sorry I'm late. The train took forever getting here. The public transportation in this city, I hate it. May I sit?
Sure.
I hope you agree that this was not the greatest of starts to an interview. First, the interviewee was late, which is not something you should ever be for an interview. Then he came dressed unprofessionally. Finally, his manner was too informal and casual for a professional situation like an interview. Let's try that once again, shall we? Again, ask yourself if this candidate is making a good first impression.
Come in.
Hi, Miss Hernandez?
Yes, are you Michael Flatley?
That's right. I hope I'm not too early.
Oh, not at all. It's very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Did you have any trouble finding the building?
No, not at all, thank you.
Please have a seat and we'll get started.
Great.
Much better, I think you'll agree. No lateness, no unprofessional dress, no informal manner. So far, so good. I hope you'll agree that this candidate has made a good first impression. In this video, we've looked at the beginning of an interview, the moment you walk in the door to the moment the questions begin. In the next video, we'll look at the remainder of the interview and look at some more do's and don'ts.